Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm just coming on to stuff my sinking funds today. I've got £50 that I sold some household stuff, and I've also got £65 that I saved from my grocery shopping. I'm really minimizing what I'm buying at the moment for groceries, and my meal planning has been really good to me. So that's why I got to save that £65, and I think that is amazing. There is 115 here: 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 10, 15. I got my nails done, and it was £65, pedi and mani, and I had £70 in here, but I only took £60 out. I had £5 in my purse, so I just added that £5. I've got £10 left in here, and I'm going to put £40 in today. These lipsticks are £10 each. So each lipstick represents £10, and £40 is going into my well-being today. 20, 40. I'll just fill this out. So today is the 15th Feb, and I've put £40 in, and £50 in there. I've been going through all my cupboards and everything, and my wardrobe, everywhere, getting things together to sell, and it's been going really well. I've still got some money to come, waiting on that to come. And I have my hair. All I've been doing is washing, deep conditioning my hair. I haven't had it coloured or anything, so I've still got the £50 in here when I need it coloured. The money's usually for my daughter's petrol money. My going out, I did spend, did I mark it down? I spent £15. I had 30 in there, so I've got 15, and I will put £10. I'll just plus 10, it's 25. That's 10, 15, 20, 25. That's for going out. And for my hobbies, oops, daisies. I don't think I coloured my pigs last week. I think I missed, let me just check that money. I haven't spent any money. I've got £20 in there, 10, 15, 20. And my pigs are, didn't spend any money. Oh, that's correct. I did fill it in. I'm going to put £10 in. Plus 10, so we've got 30 in there now. And I'll just colour in the pig big piggies are £10, the small ones are 5. I've been working on the bigger piggies. £30 in there. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Great. And then that's for my hobbies and labour. I am going to put £10 in labour. I need some shelves, I do. I really want to get those put up, so I'm just saving towards it. I said £10, didn't I? I'll do £10. And each pig is 5, so I'll colour in 2. Alright. How much have I got so far? 20, 30, 35, 40 in labour. It all mounts up. Oh, I'm not putting anything in here. Going out has got money. My hobbies have got money. The reason why I'm not putting in a great amount of money into hobbies, I'm trying to take my time slowly with it, and I want to get up to £50 before I spend any money on craft supplies or budgeting supplies. So that's why I'm only putting in minimum, because the longer I take to get to that £50, the less obviously I will spend money. I'm not going to put any more money in to this sinking funds. This will go over to my savings challenges. And how much have I got left over? 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. After all the bills are paid and everything else, whatever's left over, I use it to save. I'd like to say thank you so much to my new subscribers and also my existing subscribers. You've been great. Thank you so much for coming over, watching my videos, commenting, liking and subscribing. I really appreciate it. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload my new videos. Take care of yourselves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.